Let's talk about Patina. Now she's from Mythical Comics, relatively new custom deck, known for their shenanigans. So normally I use her as a healer, but that's not what I want to talk to about. It's because she has a really special equipment card called Lab Assist. Whenever a hero uses a power on an equipment card, you may increase by 1 or reduce by 1 of the numerals in the text of that power. So for Patina herself, she can do this. You can say one player may discard 1 card, any who do may use 1 power. Or I can say 2 players may discard 2 cards, any who do may use 1 power. Or I can say 1 player may discard 2 cards, anyone who do may use 2 powers. So to manipulate the numerals on equipment cards, at least have lots of play options. So I got 3 other heroes, for example. You got Charade from Menagerie, Bunker Mark 7, which is an independent deck that was made a long time ago, and Vatsguy's Gideon from Magic the Gathering, and yeah, so let's do this. So for Patina, she can cast you can express this an equipment card, so you can manipulate those numbers. For Charade, very simple. She casts Betsy. Instead of doing 3 projectile damage, it now does 4. Plus any damage buzz, so you can increase it as well. For Bunker Mark 7, if you cast Vulcan Cannon, you can either do 2 targets 3 energy damage, or you can make 1 target do 4 energy damage. Now remember, Lab Assist also can reduce numerals, which is why we have Gideon here. If you cast Black Blade, normally that hurts himself to do damage, but you can technically move it as Gideon deals himself 0 infernal damage and 1 target 3 infernal damage. Or if you want, you can make it 1 infernal damage to himself and 2 targets 3 infernal damage, or 1 target 4 infernal damage. You can see the applications here of just like messing with the numbers itself. And mind you, it only works for the power text. It only works for numerals. So unfortunately, sorry Betsy, you can't change that word right there. It can only be a numeral. But that's Patina for you. I also do have to say she has 1 more busted card. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this one. Really busted. Whip Splash. It basically just prevents the villain deck from playing a card, and then you draw a card instead. Super handy because there's a lot of these in her suite of cards. Boop.